Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Now, I spoke about those red arrows earlier, and guess what? All categories of fuel will increase effective tomorrow. Now, a liter of 87 gasoline will sell for $1.73 more. $2.23 will be added to the cost of 90. Each liter of diesel will go for $2.63 more, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will increase by $3.03. 25 cents will be added to kerosene. Now, propane will go up by $2.37, while butane will sell for $2.70 more. Of course, each gas station will make adjustments to its own rates, which includes a markup to the ex-refinery figures coming from Petrojam. The 9th staging of the Christmas in July trade show opened on Wednesday. 175 businesses are participating in this year's showcase. Artisans and other local manufacturers often look forward to the Tourism Linkages Network's Christmas in July exhibition.
This event is a showcase of the creativity and innovation of our local entrepreneurs, artisans, and manufacturers who have produced high-quality products and services and can meet the needs and expectations of several market segments across the globe.
Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says the event provides opportunities for small and medium-sized enterprises.
To provide training and development, human capital development, which is central to their capacity to innovate and to be creative and to expand and to do more. And secondly, to provide capital that is required. To provide funding through the JBDC loan arrangement and through the $1 billion that I put at the Exim Bank for the small and medium enterprises.
This is especially important as he says the tourism industry's consumption is 5 times greater than the need for goods by locals. In 2019, the demand for goods in the industry, excluding food, was worth 320 billion Jamaican dollars.
You now have to manufacture not for 2.9 million people to give them bread and meat and drink and water. But you now have to find the capacity to provide those. Now, if you don't, I have to feed them because I brought them here. So that's when now I have to import.
The 2-day event being held at the AC Marriott Hotel ends on Thursday. Banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $155.50. $117.89 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $199.24, while it's costing $171.49 for the euro. The JSE Index lost 78 points today, while the Junior Market Index gained 10 points. Among the 43 winners were Epley 7.25% preference shares, Cargo Handlers, General Accident Insurance Jamaica, Trans-Jamaican Highway 8% shares, and Siboney Group. The 49 decliners include ISP Finance Services, KLE Group, 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference Shares, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, and G West Corporation. Now 12 stocks traded firm. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.